Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. It's a sunny day. I'm good. It's a sunny day.
Yes, the weather is very nice. Yes, the weather is very nice.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name? My name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you, Anna. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Do you live here? Do you live here?
Yes, I live in this house with my family. Yes, I live in this house with my family.
Oh, it's a lovely house. Oh, it's a lovely house.
Thank you. My father built it 10 years ago. Thank you. My father built it 10 years ago.
Really? That's amazing. Really? That's amazing.
Yes, he worked very hard. Yes, he worked very hard.
Do you have a big family? Do you have a big family?
Not very big. I have one brother and one sister. Not very big. I have one brother and one sister.
Are they older or younger than you? Are they older or younger than you?
My brother is older and my sister is younger. My brother is older and my sister is younger.
That's nice. Do you get along with them? That's nice. Do you get along with them?
Yes, most of the time. Sometimes we argue, but we love each other. Yes, most of the time. Sometimes we argue, but we love each other.
What do you do? Are you a student? What do you do? Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. Yes, I'm a student.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study English and art. I study English and art.
Oh, you speak English very well. Oh, you speak English very well.
Thank you, I'm still learning. Thank you, I'm still learning.
Where do you study? Where do you study?
At the city school, not far from here. At the city school, not far from here.
Do you like your school? Do you like your school?
Yes, I do. My teachers are kind. Yes, I do. My teachers are kind.
That's good. What's your favorite subject? That's good. What's your favorite subject?
I like art and music. I like art and music.
Do you play any instrument? Do you play any instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar a little. Yes, I play the guitar a little.
Wow, that's cool. I love guitar music. Wow, that's cool. I love guitar music.
Me too. It makes me feel happy. Me too. It makes me feel happy.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and painting. I like reading and painting.
What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read?
I like short stories and books about animals. I like short stories and books about animals.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small cat. Yes, I have a small cat.
What's its name? What's its name?
Her name is Bella. She's white and very playful. Her name is Bella. She's white and very playful.
That's cute. I like cats too. That's cute. I like cats too.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
No, not now. I used to have a dog. No, not now. I used to have a dog.
Oh, what happened to him? Oh, what happened to him?
He was old. He passed away last year. He was old. He passed away last year.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I still remember him with love. It's okay. I still remember him with love.
Dogs are very loyal friends. Dogs are very loyal friends.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
I think animals teach us kindness. I think animals teach us kindness.
I agree with you. I agree with you. Do you like living in this neighborhood? Do you like living in this neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and safe. Yes, it's quiet and safe.
Are your neighbors friendly? Are your neighbors friendly?
Yes, they are. Everyone says hello in the morning. Yes, they are. Everyone says hello in the morning.
That's nice. I live in an apartment near the market. That's nice. I live in an apartment near the market.
Is it a big apartment? Is it a big apartment?
Not really, but it's comfortable. Not really, but it's comfortable.
That's good. Do you live alone? That's good. Do you live alone?
No, I live with my parents. No, I live with my parents.
Do you like your neighborhood? Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, there are many shops and a small park. Yes, there are many shops and a small park.
Oh, I love parks. Oh, I love parks.
Me too. I like walking there in the evening. Me too. I like walking there in the evening.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Sometimes I play football with my friends. Sometimes I play football with my friends.
That's fun. Are you good at it? That's fun. Are you good at it?
Not really, but I enjoy it. Not really, but I enjoy it.
That's what matters, having fun. That's what matters, having fun.
What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat?
I love pasta and pizza. I love pasta and pizza.
Me too. I can eat pizza every day. Me too. I can eat pizza every day.
Ha ha, that's too much. Ha ha, that's too much.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
A little. I can make pasta and salad. A little. I can make pasta and salad.
That's great. Maybe one day you can teach me. That's great. Maybe one day you can teach me.
Sure, why not? Sure, why not?
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
That's early. That's early.
Yes, I like to start my day with a walk. Yes, I like to start my day with a walk.
Do you like mornings? Do you like mornings?
Yes, they are quiet and fresh. Yes, they are quiet and fresh.
I like evenings more. I like evenings more.
Why? Why?
Because I can relax and listen to music. Because I can relax and listen to music.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
Pop and reggae. Pop and reggae.
Reggae, like Bob Marley. Reggae, like Bob Marley.
Yes, exactly. His songs are full of peace. Yes, exactly. His songs are full of peace.
I love that too. I love that too.
Do you like movies? Do you like movies?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
I like The Lion King. I like The Lion King.
That's a beautiful one. That's a beautiful one.
What about you? What about you?
I like adventure movies. I like adventure movies.
Do you watch them often? Do you watch them often?
Yes, every weekend. Yes, every weekend.
That's a nice way to relax. That's a nice way to relax.
Yes, it helps me forget my problems. Yes, it helps me forget my problems.
We all need that sometimes. We all need that sometimes.
True, life is easier with small joys. True, life is easier with small joys.
You are right, Tom. You are right, Tom.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Anna.
I enjoyed talking with you. I enjoyed talking with you.
Me too. You are very friendly. Me too. You are very friendly.
Thank you. See you soon. Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon, Anna. Have a great day. See you soon, Anna. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.